The one who needs no introduction. आप चेहरा ही देख के बता सकते हैं कौन है यहाँ in a different and sizzling avatar.
Again.
Again. So Jennifer is here with us. और सासबू बेटिया में आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत
Thank
है.
you very much.
I love to meet you every time and here we are.
Thank you.
So I would love to know what's happening new.
Well, as you can say, see, बहुत is almost every time I think I come talk to you guys, I come in a new look, and this time especially I'm shooting for B Blunt hair color. As you can see, I have gone cherry red. So this is what we're doing here, and I hope you guys like it.
तो मतलब 2020 ने तो काफ़ी कुछ भसड़ मचाई है नो डाउट लेकिन 21 में जो लुक होने वाला है जेनी का इट्स गॉन रॉकिंग सो आई वुड लव टू नो अबाउट दिस हेयर कलर एंड ऑल
So basically, B Blunt has launched their new color. It's called Salon Secret High Salon Secret High Shine Creme Hair Color Cherry Red. और सिंस मुझे रेड का ऑलरेडी थोड़ा सा एक्सपीरियंस हो चुका है आई रियली वांटेड टू ट्राई रेड अगेन और ऑल्सो लॉकडाउन में क्या हुआ था मैं आई अगेन वेंट ब्राउन एंड आई वेंट रियली लाइट इन द लॉकडाउन सो जैसे ही लॉकडाउन खुला आई थॉट कि कुछ फिर से कुछ एक अलग एक कुछ मज़ेदार कुछ करते हैं एंड आई वाज अप्रोच्ड बाय बी ब्लंट एंड वी डिसाइडेड टू डू दिस एंड हियर वी आर
ग्रेट सो फोटोशूट तो हमने देखा ही लेकिन साथ ही में व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर लुक्स हाउ परफेक्टली यू डू इट कैसे कर लेते हो
One second, let me tell you, it's not me. I don't do anything. I just sit on the chair, and there is a team of these amazing professionals at B Blunt who do this to me. This is not how I wake up. Also, the stylist, and then there's makeup, and then there's hair. So it's all credit to them that they make me look like this. And I'm so thankful that I always get the opportunity to work with people who understand me, who understand who I am, and work with that and not try to make me something I'm not. So thanks to all these guys, yeah, who make sure that I always put my best foot forward, looking $1 million, like $1 million every time.
You are no doubt in that. वैसे साथ ही में if I talk about your web show, so शुरुआत में आया था साल के और अब साल खत्म
जी।
नया साल सो 2020 में आपका जनवरी में जो एम कोड आया
Code.
कोड आई एम सॉरी उसके लिए यू गॉट नॉमिनेशन ऑल्सो फॉर फिल्म फेयर OTT दैट इज लाइक अमेजिंग
It is amazing. It is. It is. I mean, my first web show, and I get nominated for Filmfare. I think it's. I'm very honored, and मैं क्या बोलूँ यार? I'm really overwhelmed because I mean, we all knew that we were making a good show, but we didn't expect the show to do so well, like in all honesty. So it just makes us happy and it just encourages us to do better. And hopefully we have season 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and you know, it keeps going on.
So we're waiting for that seasons. लेकिन when it comes to your characters and you know different avatar which you take in the TV shows also, हमने आपका वो पागलपन देखा है. We have seen your negative shade also, the positive shade also. So what next you are planning to do? Like where we will see Jennifer now?
I
And
don't know. I don't know. I mean, I'm also still, to be very honest, I haven't really got something that I really want to do. So I'm
what
waiting.
is that thing which you really want to do?
I don't know, something that excites me. I don't have ऐसे एक ही मुझे ये करना या वो करना. Like you said, I've done quite a few varieties of roles. So I'm waiting कि कुछ अच्छा आएगा in terms of script or character. I don't know. I really don't know.
And when it comes to nowadays हम देख रहे हैं काफ़ी सारे म्यूजिक एल्बम्स भी आ रहे हैं काफ़ी सारे आर्टिस्ट म्यूजिक एल्बम्स कर रहे हैं सो आर वी गोना सी जेनिफर इन दैट जोन आल्सो
I never say never, but not yet. I don't know. I don't know.
All right, एक last चीज़ when it comes to the social media and all nowadays very much things are vocal. Everyone is very much active on their Twitter account and the Insta and everywhere. So when it comes to Jenny, how you manage your social media and you are not that active.
I think ये जो lockdown का time मिला है, for me, I think I take it as a time where I want to just kind of pause and just kind of reboot and just relax a little bit. So I don't have anything interesting to say unless I don't have anything interesting to say. Like, say, why will I say something? So
People have so much interest in you. They would love to know.
that's lovely, and I'm very thankful for that. But I mean, जब कुछ होगा तब हम बात करेंगे फिर.
Okay, and lastly, what do you want to say to all your fans because they eagerly wait कि जेनी से कब मुलाकात होगी, कब मिलेंगे?
To all my fans, every time I say this, that you guys are the reason why I am here. You guys are the reason for me to be who I am, to be where I am. And I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart to give me this consistent love through the years, through all ups and downs and highs and lows. And, you know, we're all in this together. So thank you so very much for your support, for your love, and for always being there by my side. Thank you.
And 2020 gone. Everybody wants to skip that. So 2021 के लिए what do you want to say to all?
Yeah, ये ऐसा है 2020 तो गया, but it has taught us a lot. It has taught us many lessons. It has taught us to be kind. It has taught us to be to know what our priorities are, to know what is important, to take care of our health, to take care of our families, to take care of our friends. And I think this is the lesson that we need to take from 2020 and step into 2021 so that we just become better as people, as a society, as a world.
बात हेयर कलर की करें so what do you want to say to all क्योंकि कहीं ना कहीं कलर बहुत मैटर करता है पर्सनालिटी से
100%. क्या हुआ ना कि for a long time, I mean after Behad, then I colored my hair brown. Or a lot of my fans said that they liked me in darker hair. Okay, so I had a chat with with B Blunt team and Odd, and so they specially have made this color for me, for you, so that you can also get this color at home. And I'm so happy that this color is worked, and I hope कि आप लोगों को भी ये color अच्छा लगेगा, and you will go and buy it so that you can also have hair like mine.
and the haircut also.
And the haircut also.
So thank you so much Jenny for connecting with us. It's pleasure meeting you as always. And इसी तरह देखते रहिए आपके फेवरेट सितारों को सिर्फ और सिर्फ सासबुर बेटिया पे. कैमरा पर्सन नितिन वर्णी के साथ श्रुति बड़जात्या, मुंबई आज तक.